If somebody told me that you'll be playing Xbox games on your Fire Stick, I'd say they're probably having a laugh. But what you can see on the screen right now is me playing Mortal Kombat on my Fire TV Cube. As you can see, the performance is absolutely fine. I can bring out some super moves. I can do an uppercut. Let me do an ice block move. Take that. He did. There's the uppercut. I can take out Raiden, and all of this I'm doing directly on my Amazon Fire TV Cube. Now, all of this is possible by using the newly released Xbox Live application, which is now available directly on the Amazon Fire TV devices. But for some reason, they've limited this application only to Fire OS 8 devices. But if you follow the steps in this video today, I'll show you how you can get this working on your Fire OS 7 devices as well. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get
If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
And just to confirm that we are on my Fire TV Cube, you can see when I press the home button, we are back in the standard Amazon interface, and I can confirm on my device. If I go over to the settings, go over to my Fire TV, click on about, and we can see I'm running Fire OS 7.6.7.3 and it works absolutely fine. Let's go back to home. If I search for this application, let's just type in the word Xbox. And you can now click on the Xbox Cloud Gaming. Let's click on that. If I try to do more info, it tells me this application is unavailable because, again, for whatever reason, Amazon have limited this application only to be shown on Fire OS 8 devices. So what can we do if you're running Fire OS 7? Well, the first thing you want to do, we can make a quick connection to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can type in the shortcode, which is just 53402, and this will take you directly to my website. Let's click on go. Now, when you get to my site, if you head over to the hamburger menu, which is one with the 3 lines, if you click on that, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get Xbox Game Pass working on all of your Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, as well as your Android TV devices. So let's open that up. Here we are. So Xbox Gaming on Fire TV and Android TV devices. You do need to have some kind of Xbox Game Pass subscription, but you can also sign up for a quick trial, which is just $1 or £1, and that gives you 14 days of gaming access, and you can access everything for those 2 weeks. And of course, if you want to, you can always sign up again with a different email account. Let's scroll down. Here's step-by-step instructions. Underneath all of that, we should see 2 links for these applications. Here we are. So the first one is for your Amazon devices, and the second one is for your Android TV devices. And I have personally tested this on 4K Pro, and it worked absolutely fine. So as I'm doing this on my Fire TV Cube, I'll click on the first one. Let's click on that. I can then scroll down and click on the green download button, and this will download the latest version directly onto my device. Once you've done that, let's now press the home key. And before you open the application, I do recommend pairing up some kind of game controller. In my example, I'm just using the Xbox One controller, which you can very easily pair by going over to the settings, going into remotes and Bluetooth devices, going to game controllers, and clicking on add new game controller. Put your controller in pairing mode, and in a few seconds that will be paired. And the great thing is, once it's paired, you can actually control your Fire Stick UI directly with this controller. So I can press B to go back, I can press A to select, and so on and so forth. Now that's all done, I can now press back a few times. Let's go over to my app library, and let's now open up the Xbox application, which shouldn't be working on the Fire OS 7 devices, but with this custom version, as you can see, is working absolutely fine. And many thanks to Elias on AFTV News for posting this article which explained these 2 different versions. So I can now just literally go through with my £1 or $1 trial and play all of these games. Let's try a racing game. Let's try some dirt. Let's click on that. Click on play. And as this is cloud streaming, all of those graphics, all of the processing, all of that's being done in the cloud. and we're just seeing the streamed content on our device, which we're then controlling with our controllers. So it doesn't matter what device you're playing on, all of this processing is being done in the cloud. As long as your internet is good enough, you can go ahead and enjoy all of these high quality games. So here, let's click on my name, click on start, and you can see, guys, very quickly we are now streaming this game. So let's accelerate. Now typically with these cloud-based games, you will notice there will be some element of input lag, because you have to appreciate the signal has to go from my Bluetooth controller over to my Fire TV Cube, that then sends it through the internet to the Xbox servers, where it's then processed and the car then moves depending on what button I've pressed. But you can see it's actually fairly responsive. See if I can actually take on somebody. So take that. Alright, overtook that guy nearly. Alright, he's gone. Let's go for that green car. Nice bit of drifting there. It's actually working really nicely. But you can see, guys, that's working absolutely fine. So playing these high quality Xbox games is now no longer a dream. You really can go ahead and enjoy these amazing games on your Fire Sticks and Fire TVs, and of course your Android TV devices. That's working absolutely fine on my current driving. Go to quit game, click on quit again, and very quickly we're taken out of that game, and we can now choose another one of these free games. So everything from your Fortnites to your Halos to your Killer Instincts to Doom, all of them are included in your $1 or £1 trial. Let's do one more game. Let's do a different genre again. Let's do maybe FPS. Let's knock down this door. So let's find some people to shoot. Take that. He did. All right. I'm not particularly a fan of playing FPSs on controller. I always just prefer keyboard and mouse. It's never seemed to get the precision that I need. But you can see, guys, it's performing absolutely fine. Take that. There's a nice bit of slicing there. That's working great, guys. So that's pretty much it for this video. Many thanks for watching. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to install this on your Fire TV or your Android TV devices. Do leave me a comment below and let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks. Alright, let's jump around there. Nice. Guess that guy had to split. Take that. Oh, he's gone. Jump over there, go down there, take the guy. It's actually really fun. Let's do the super move. Alright, block. There we go. All good. Hang in here. Very smooth, very responsive. Find out some guys in here. Take that.